You can see the spike there for the South Sea bubble. You can see the Civil War in the 1860s. You can see the Great Depression in 1929. All that data is available. Final chart I wanted to show you was a chart for interest rates over the past 200 years, back to 1786. And as you can see, most people just look at the decline in interest rates. But interest rates now have gone back to the point where they were at in the 1940s. So in order to understand what's going to happen in financial markets over the next 10 years, you need to study what happened in the 1940s, the 1950s. If your data provider doesn't have that historical data, it's going to be difficult for you to understand what will happen in the market. Another important module that we have is the Events in Time, which covers over 80,000 events. So if you're not a history major and you don't know what happened in 1929 or 1720 or 1865 or any year like that, you can use our Events in Time to go back, put in particular dates, and see what were the factors that drove the market at that point in time. For example, in 1720, you had the South Sea bubble. After you learned about that, you could go and generate a chart that shows how the price of South Sea stock increased from 100 to 1,000 and quickly collapsed after all the investors left the stock.